Welcome to our instructional video on cultivating your very own eggplants and basil in a container garden. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy the flavors of freshly picked produce right from the comfort of your home. In this video, we'll guide you through the easy process of planting eggplant seedlings and basil in a single terracotta container. Not only will this create a visually pleasing garden, but it will also provide you with a bountiful supply of homegrown goodness to enhance the taste of your culinary creations. When planted together in the same container, eggplant and basil form a mutually beneficial relationship. They create a harmonious and productive environment, leading to healthier plants and more flavorful harvests. The fragrant basil acts as a natural insect repellent for the eggplant, keeping harmful bugs at bay and promoting overall plant growth. Fill a terracotta container that is at least 16 inches wide and 12 inches deep with a high-quality potting mix, leaving about 2 inches of space from the top. To ensure optimal growth for your plants in the terracotta container, you will need to enrich the soil with well-composted chicken manure. Chicken manure is an excellent natural fertilizer. Additionally, applying a layer of mulch around the base of your plants is beneficial for their overall well-being. Mulch acts as a protective barrier, shielding the soil from direct sunlight and temperature fluctuations. The health of your seedlings is paramount for a successful container garden. Before transplanting them into their new container, it's crucial to carefully examine your eggplant seedlings to ensure they're strong and vibrant. Look for seedlings with sturdy stems and vibrant green leaves. These are indicators of healthy growth and a strong, resilient plant. Check the root system of the seedlings. A well-developed root system is essential for the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. And take a close look at the seedlings for any signs of pests or diseases. Common pests include aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies, while diseases like powdery mildew can affect the foliage. Choosing seedlings that are free from pests and diseases reduces the risk of introducing problems into your container garden. In the container, spread a layer of composted chicken manure over the surface of the potting soil. Use a garden trowel or hand shovel and mix well. The composted chicken manure will be mixed evenly into the potting soil. This will ensure that your eggplant and basil plants have access to the nutrients they need for strong growth. Using your fingers or a small gardening tool, make a hole in the side of the container deep enough to accommodate your seedlings. Place the basil seedlings into the hole, ensuring that the root ball is positioned at the same depth as it was in the nursery container. Gently backfill the hole with soil, pressing lightly to secure the seedlings in place. Next, plant your eggplant seedling in the center of the container. To maximize the potential of your container garden, consider planting basil seedlings around your eggplant in the terracotta container. This simple yet effective method not only saves space, but also brings a sense of balance and harmony to your garden. The strategic placement of the basil seedlings around the eggplant creates a visually appealing arrangement that is both functional and beautiful. As the two plants grow together, they will intertwine their roots and foliage, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both plants. The result is a flourishing container garden that not only looks stunning but also provides you with a constant supply of fresh herbs and vegetables right at your fingertips. Once you have planted your seedlings, consider enhancing the soil with composted chicken manure to provide vital nutrients for your plant's growth. This organic fertilizer will enrich the soil, promoting healthy root development and vibrant foliage. To further improve your garden's health, remember to add a layer of mulch on top of the soil. Mulch serves as a protective barrier, retaining moisture, preventing weed growth, and maintaining consistent soil temperature. Taking these simple steps will ensure your plants thrive and flourish in their environment. Water the newly planted eggplants thoroughly, ensuring the soil is evenly moist but not waterlogged. Place the container in a sunny location, ideally receiving at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Monitor the soil moisture and water the plants when the top inch of soil becomes dry. Fertilize the eggplants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer to support healthy growth and fruit production. Thanks for watching our tutorial on planting eggplant seedlings and basil in terracotta containers. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tutorials, tips, and inspiration. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos and join our community of fellow gardening enthusiasts. Thanks again for watching, and happy gardening!